Did you know that just 1 acre of pumpkins can earn you more profit than many common vegetables? And the best part, they're one of the easiest crops to grow. Today, we're uncovering the secrets behind simple and profitable pumpkin farming. Hello everyone, welcome back to Discover Agriculture, your trusted place for real farming knowledge. Today, we're stepping into the colorful world of pumpkin farming. From soil prep to harvesting, here's everything you need to get started. Pumpkins are beginner-friendly, high-yielding, and always in demand. They're nutritious, store beautifully, and can grow almost anywhere, making them a strong income crop for both small farmers and large growers. Pumpkins thrive in loose, fertile soil rich in organic matter. Start by removing weeds, loosening the soil, and mixing in compost or well-rotted manure. A pH of 6.0 to 6.8 gives you the healthiest growth. Sow pumpkin seeds directly into the field after the last frost. Space each plant 3 to 5 feet apart depending on the variety. And remember, pumpkins love to sprawl, so give them plenty of room. Keep the soil consistently moist but never waterlogged. Mulching helps conserve moisture and keep weeds under control. Feed your plants with a balanced fertilizer every couple of weeks for bigger, healthier pumpkins. Watch for squash bugs and aphids. Use organic sprays or beneficial insects like ladybugs to manage them naturally. Good airflow between plants helps prevent fungal diseases. Pumpkins are ready when the skin turns hard and the color deepens. Cut them with a small piece of stem attached. This helps them last longer. Store them in a cool, dry area and they'll stay fresh for months. And that's your complete guide to growing pumpkins. Simple, rewarding, and profitable. Planning to grow pumpkins this season? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more real-world farming tips. Happy farming!